Puja? It was very good, no? Blissful. Very good start to the new year. So we'll hear some words from Swamiji also. Yeah, so today is also Shiva's day. Okay, and as usual, no, the chanting was blissful. Because we have almost our Bannerghatta Road Asthana Pandits now. So they are there every time in this thing, Ganapati ji and Subrai ji. Thank you so much for coming again and again and making it very nice to you. So Swamiji, for a couple of words from you.
We shared in the beginning, so yeah, so it's good for any opportunity to be a part of such kind of Rudra Abhishekam. So that is one thing we can be selfish about. Yeah. So jab mauka mile, be a part of such celebrations, and life is a celebration, as Gurudev says. So for the wise, every day is a new year. So every moment is new, and that is what Gurudev keeps sharing in all his programs, isn't it? So let's celebrate every moment. And celebrating life, that is what our motto is. And Gurudev is going to be back on 8th of January. So 9th Satsang onwards is there. So we are very close by. We are fortunate. So keep coming and be a part of the satsangs, etc. How many of us have done the advanced courses here? Silence program किया है. कितने लोगों ने नहीं किया है? How many of us have not done advanced courses?
Many have not done.
Oh, how many of us have not done happiness course? Kriya Sudarshan Kriya नहीं सीखी है?
Happiness course.
Everyone has done.
Many have done.
Very nice. Oh, very nice. Yeah, so one more good news. Yeah, one more good news as part of the new year. Sahaj Samadhi, right? Effortless equanimity. That program is happening here.
Yes.
16, 17, 18. It's a very short program. It's one of the simplest and the most profound programs of the art of living. And a sound vibration is given, like mantra diya jata hai, and that helps people, slip easily into meditation. कितने लोगों ने नहीं किया है सहज समाधि? तो सहज नाम में देखो कैसा है सहज, isn't it? And mananat trayate iti mantra. Yeah? So when the mind keeps moving around like we were speaking before the puja, so we need a break so that the mind can come in the present moment, and that is what this course does. So people who have not done it, it's good to keep moving on, learning new things, and we want peace of mind other than pieces of mind, isn't it? So a lot of tools have been given, and it takes only half an hour, 1 hour to practice.
And you can come to ashram.
Ashram also, you can do that.
Shivratri.
Yeah, 15th February is Shivratri. Come, that's one of the biggest events in the ashram apart from Navratri. Come be a part of it. 10th ko Mahasat. When is it? 15th?
10th. At 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. It's a Saturday in Ambedkar Stadium.
Yeah. In HSR in Ambedkar Stadium, we have a Mahasatsang in presence of Gurudev. So, we can do a lot of events to celebrate, in the next few weeks. So keep smiling. I think that is what we are. Gurudev says, बच्चा कितनी बार मुस्कुराता है दिन में? Any idea? 400 बार, है ना? और एक युवक या युवती कितनी बार मुस्कुराते हैं? How many times the youth smile? The research says about 17 times. Like broad व्यक्ति, how many times the mature adult smiles? Some are saying no. So as per that research, only twice. So Gurudev says, keep smiling, be childlike but not childish. So intelligence and innocence have to go hand in hand. Sensitivity and sensibility have to go hand in hand. And that is what these programs do. So look forward to seeing you sometime in the ashram as well. And keep coming, keep smiling. Very good.
Anybody's birthday anniversary?